Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my Glide Gear TMP 100 teleprompter. This thing is really useful and I love it. Let me show you a couple of features about it that makes me fall in love with this item. First of all, I have an iPad that I'm going to use with my teleprompter app right here. So let me show you how it works. You're going to slide in the iPad into the slot, and on the bottom part, you're gonna adjust it and tighten it up so it holds it into place. So it holds the iPad perfectly. Another thing about it is that it has Velcro on the sides, as you can see, on all three sides, which allows no dust and no light to get into the area. Now let's take a look on this side over here. I already mounted my camera onto the base, which you screw it down here with this little knob, as you can see on the bottom. It's nice and snug, nice and tight. Now, the bag goes over the lens, and we're gonna pull the drawstring to close it up so no light and no dust actually gets into the area. Now let's see the teleprompter in work, in action. So we're gonna hit play, and our script is gonna start showing on the actual screen. So this is what we actually would see when we're reading the script. Honestly, guys, this product is great for anyone that has to do script reading. I love it, I use it, and I'm sure you will too. That's my point of view.